So currently in the United States, the machine tool consumption is up because of the robust economy and the onshoring that currently is going on. There's greater demands by the end users to the people that are actually manufacturing the parts. Because of these demands, the machine tools have to be working and have to be optimized that are needed to meet the tolerances which include CPK requirements that are very high. We know that these parts that are used in the aircraft industry or the hydraulic industry, these are expensive parts, so we all want to reduce cost. And so the way to reduce cost per part is to increase the throughput in your machines. That's where Meax alignment tools can be a benefit to you. If your machines are not in alignment, you won't have as much uptime with your machines, and so the more uptime you have, obviously you can help reduce your cost and increase your throughput. We're trying to help get those machines back online quickly. You know, time is money. Cost per part is very critical. So by using these tools, we'll go out there and rather than spend hours trying to take measurements on your machines and diagnosing a problem, they can get in there in perhaps half or 25% of the time, take the measurements and be able to know what's necessary to make a correction on your machine.